The question reads, when a source of radiation is placed in front of GM counter, the initial count rate is 128. After 16 minutes, the count rate was 8. We should calculate the half-life of the source. So let's have the solution. Chamba ndigwiza ntchito formula inayo tizangopanga ya manyo imene kuti style ndwekha. Number of half-lives, let kuli n, and the initial count rate timati a naught, and this time atuza kuti initial ndi 128, so we can put there 128, and the final count rate we can put here final count rate is equal to n, where n agwimilira after particular number of half-lives. So here tikuika 8. So what we do, the formula imakamba zoti a naught divided by an, answer is equal to 2 to the power n. Yeah, that's what we do. So a naught, that's 128, so we can put it here 128 divided by final count rate, which is 80, and answer here it about say 2 raised to the power n. You see? So we can simplify this one. We can apply laws of indices. So according to my calculator here, if we divide the 128 divided by 8, so let's do this. 128 divided by 80, the answer is 16. So we can have here 16 is equal to 2 raised to the power n, and we should write 16 in terms of base 2. Negatiza kangati 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power n, and the mabeza ababa afanana. So ngati mabeza afanana ndekuti mapower zonso afanana. So we have n is equal to 4. It means we have 4 half-lives from 128 to 8. So amanena kuti kuchoka pa 128 kukafika pa 8 padutsa 16 minutes. Question imakamba choncho kuti after 16 minutes the count rate is 8. So chomwe tipange tidziwa ababa kuti kodi mu 16 minutes muli ma half-life alipo 4 in 16 minutes. Ndeti bezi kuti half-life imodzi inali ama minutes angati. So chimene tipange tingopanga 16 minutes divided by number of half-lives, which is 4, and the half-life divides out into 4 minutes. Pass that take a minute. We are done. Hey my guys, that's using the formula. By the way, this was question number 3E. It was 2008. Then mana kuti poti palinjira ziwiri yena timetu tikuti style ndweka. Yes, style ndweka, you can just do this. Chimemu pange, since initial count rate ndi 128, so tiga 128. So after x minutes, half yake tibezi half ya 128, and answer lady patsayani 64. You see, the next tiza kande 64 loyo. Then after x minutes, since in how ndio fana na half-life ndi modze, so after x minutes, so here after x minutes we need to find the half of 16 and half of 64. Answer you get about 32. Then we're gonna have count redina, which is 32, and then after x minutes half half ya 32 answer ndi 16. Then count rate omaliza, we're gonna have this one 16. I'm taking this guy 16. After x minutes we're gonna have this one half, and half ya 16 answer again the 8. So you can see with the initial the 128 and the final that is good in the 8. That is the final. After x minutes, my x minutes is 4. You see, so we need to particular them. So it's like x minutes plus x minutes plus x minutes plus x minutes, answer it was 4x minutes. You see, so from 128 count rate we have up 8, we have this 4x minutes. You see, nda makamba zote from this 128 kukafika pa 80 padutsa 16 minutes. So just equate, mungopanga 4x minutes divided by 16. You see, 16 minutes. So here you're gonna have divided by 4, also divided by 4. So 4 and 4 cancel, 4 kalamu 16 ndikuti mukhandi 4 minutes, ndikuti half life imodzi it was 4 minutes. Umumu ndikuti munaima 4 minutes. That's 4 minutes basi niwo ukangopanga yoncho ndikuti zatheka milipo zikujeka. My guys, that's how we can solve these things. Komabe Mungu kupe mhani osewala kupanga subscribe if you are enjoying this video. And ngati pale mafunso in any subject, ndikuti you can join my WhatsApp platform via the number indicated at the corner of your video. I think we can now move forward to another question.